A big event coming to KC this weekend has angered the mayor and worried health officials about whether it will be safe in light of COVID. Now it's made national headlines because of the Washington Post. KCTV5's Betsy Webster has a look at what the mayor and health director are saying about it.
The event is a youth wrestling tournament here at Hy-Vee Arena with kids from across the nation and up to 2,500 spectators. The health department staff plans to be here to keep tabs and shut it down if anyone breaks the rules. The Big 12 tournament at the Sprint Center was the last time a large number of people from out of state gathered in KC for a sporting event. It was at the start of the pandemic and canceled due to the pandemic after the first night. The idea of people now surging into Hy-Vee Arena has city leaders like Health Department Director Rex Archer concerned.
There is the exposure of the kids on the mat that does concern me quite a bit.
The mayor's spokeswoman said he wasn't available, but sent us a strongly worded statement that, quote, "We do not believe this tournament complies with the spirit and letter of Mayor Lucas's emergency order." It was pre-pandemic when we shot this video of high school meets. This upcoming event is not school-related, but like seen here, the competitors will still be in close contact without masks while on the mat, which she says, if they're 18 or over, is a violation of the mayor's order for mask and distance rules. But the language doesn't get specific about athletes, so that's up for interpretation. Dr. Archer says that as long as the audience is masked up, it's not a violation. That said, he's still wary.
There's technicality issues within the order, and then there's what makes common sense.
The organizers of the Rocky Mountain Nationals, based in Colorado, did not return our calls, but their website lists a host of precautions, including a spectator limit of 2,500, temperature checks to get in, hand wipes and sanitizer at every mat side, and masks for both referees and competitors when they're not competing. Dr. Archer sympathized with the event organizers, saying the group planned the event long before the mask order, but his staff will be here too.
If we find that the crowds aren't complying and we have to shut it down, we will shut it down.
I called Hy-Vee Arena to get their feedback and left a message for their GM, but have not yet heard back. When I asked the health department who would be doing that compliance enforcement, they said that the arena and tournament staff would be the main mask enforcers, but the health department enforcement team will also be doing spot checks throughout the weekend. In Kansas City, Missouri, Betsy Webster, KCTV5 News.